Hi everybody, my name is Nguyễn Anh and now I'm going to tell you about vowel sound and consonant in pronunciation workshop. We learned about 12 monophthong vowel sound in pronunciation workshop. We can practice to review E, 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 sheep, 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 it, sheep, sheep, ooh, 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 good, good, ooh, 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 shoot, 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 air, air, bed, bed, teacher, teacher, bird, 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 r, door, door, cat, cat, up, up, far, far, on, on. About diphthong vowel sound, we learn 8 diphthong vowel sound: ear, 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 here, here, red, 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 tourist, tourist, boy, boy, oh, show, show, air, hair, hair, I, my, ow, cow. And now we can practice about consonant. We learn a pair, each pair, p and b. P, b, boat, T and D, T, dog, and fly, video, M, man, nose, no, and sing, this, sing, heart, and cheese, June, k and y, car, yo, s and j, c, u, sh and j, shell, television. It's the end of today. We can learn tomorrow. See you again.